Hi, how are you? The theme of this printer turned out to be in demand. So, let's go. It will fit for HP LaserJet Pro M203 DW and M203 DN. What is a hard reset and when is needed? Hard reset is a complete reset of the printer software to the factory setting. When should you do this? One in a blue moon. I had a case when there was a password on a web interface of printer. DHCP was turned off, Wi-Fi Direct turned off. The printer cannot be configured on a different network. In this case, you need a hard reset. This can be useful for diagnostic purpose or when repairing a printer. So, if you have a similar situation, how to make a hard reset? Finding out how this is done turned out to be a difficult task. Step 1. The printer needs to turn it off by the power button. Step 2. Hold down the resume button. Step 3. While holding down the resume button, press one's power button. The device will turn it on. Do not let resume button 20 seconds and hard reset occurs. If this information was useful to you, subscribe to my channel, write comments if something is not clear. Thanks for your attention. Bye.